Now what we've got here is a fine specimen of some deer dung. I have landed in bright sunshine and there is hardly a cloud in sight. But if there's one thing I've learned from being out in nature, it's that you should always expect the unexpected. Even if the unexpected is actually what is expected. Alright, now that I'm out here, I'm going to want to find a good vantage point, somewhere high up, like a tree, a hill, or maybe if I'm lucky a totem pole. Alright, up there, I think up there is going to be our best bet. Let's go. Marin is over 800 square miles of treacherous terrain, strange cultures, and countless natural death traps waiting to be triggered by unwary hikers. I once knew a man who thought it would be a good idea to play around with some of the local wildlife. He ended up getting stabbed by the antlers of a deer. Alright, now, one thing you want to be careful about is dehydration. Probably just by going up this tiny little hill, I've probably lost over 8 pints of water. Now, the best thing to get rehydrated again is to drink your own pee. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. Let's get this out of here. All right, this may be a little graphic. Urine is an excellent source of many vitamins as long as it's not red or some other person's. All right, let's go. All right, we made it to the top of the hill, but that was only the easy part. Now we're gonna have to get to the bottom of the hill. Fortunately, there's already a deer path made for us, so that's the route we're going to have to take. Now, I think the best way to get down this is to make a sled. Alright, so to make a sled, all you need is a jacket. Now, you're going to want to lay your jacket flat on the ground, otherwise it won't work. Once you've laid it down, you're going to want to stick your feet in the sleeves of the jacket. This is very important, otherwise it won't work. Now once you've got yourself situated, you're ready to go. Alright, so it's beginning to look like it's gonna get dark out right now, so probably only have about a few hours left. What I found here is an excellent place. See, the deer have matted down the grass and everything, made it nice and flat. Excellent place to set up camp for the night. This won't be enough though. I'm gonna have to get some extra building material. All right, let's go find some. Alright, now that I have my building materials, I'm going to want to make a fortified structure so that it'll protect me from the elements and creatures at nighttime. Alright, that should do. Alright, what appears to be just over there is some form of tribal ceremony happening among some of the native species. Now this tribal ritual Could be some sort of ceremony such as sacrifice, and it'd be very, very risky if I were to interrupt this. So it's probably best that I leave. It appears that this strange little man wishes me to join in their unusual hippie cult ceremony. It is probably best that I don't disrespect them and join in their drum circle. Alright, let us begin. Wow, well that was a weird night. Appears to be quite late in the day already. Should probably get going. Alright, let's go. Hold on a second. Just over here, it appears that we have found a possible route to civilization. Now, I'm not sure how close, because for all I know, it could be hundreds and hundreds of miles of civilization. But probably my best chances of survival is to follow it. So, let's go. It appears that we have found at least some sign of civilization right here. This sign, you see, we have a kangaroo with a man riding on it, and this is a very ancient sign showing that there's civilization near. And look, there's a road. Let's see if we can find a route to escape on. Alright, I'm going to try to hitchhike now, but I'm not sure if it's going to work. Alright, I'm going to try something a bit more different here. I'm going to pee on the road and hopefully it'll get someone to stop. It's already working. Let's hope they stop. Hello. Thank you so much for stopping. Quick, get in the car, get in the car. Get out of here. No problem. Let's get out of here.